into a damaged space, out of sync and out of tune. That frequency I can't undo. Please listen close. Stop drumming on my heart, please stop. The rhythm that you're playing is just way up. You're not singing in the right key, check your tone, or soon you'll be a one-man band alone. Stop drumming on my heart. Why you look surprised when we've done this all before? I'm not sure the highs really make up for the lows. When words don't work and I get hurt, somehow I feel like I'm the worst. Manipulation overload, but babe, this time I'll steal the show. Please listen close. Stop drumming on my heart, please stop. The rhythm that you're playing is just way up. You're not singing in the right key, check your tone, or soon you'll be a one-man band alone. Stop drumming on my heart, please stop. The rhythm that you're playing is just way up. You're not singing in the right key, check your tone, or soon you'll be a one-man band alone. Stop drumming on my heart. Stop drumming on my heart. Stop drumming on my heart. Out of sync and out of touch, and maybe even out of love. Stop drumming on my heart, please stop. Got me black and blue, making me wanna walk. You're not singing in the right key, check your tone, or soon you'll be a one-man band alone. Stop drumming on my heart, please stop. The rhythm that you're playing is just way up. You're not singing in the right key, check your tone, or soon you'll be a one-man band alone. Stop drumming on my heart.
A packet of diamonds thrown against the wall. Reach into my pocket, feel nothing at all. Falling through fingers, tracing waterfalls. Rush hour's over, think I missed my shot. Everything is over, everything's begun. Losing a battle that we thought was won. Searching for sequels, even though it's done. Scratching tickets, hoping we can still have fun. Fun. Pressing all the buttons, make the screen fingerprints here on my skin, it's dizzying. I'm diving in, we're glistening, we're everything. Got me so hot, there's no coming down. Heaven can't help us now. I kept trying to fight it